Indicators, Class 7. Children, acids are sour in taste, whereas bases are bitter in taste. If you are having two beakers with unknown solution, if I ask you to test the acid and basic solution, how will you test the difference between them? Can you taste it? No, you cannot, because acid and base are corrosive in nature. They can burn our mouth, isn't it? So the best way to identify is by using the indicators. So here you will learn about what is indicator, types of indicator, use of pH paper to determine if the solution is acidic or basic or neutral. Indicators. Indicators are the dye that changes the color in acidic and basic medium. Or we can say indicators are the substance which indicate if the given substance is acidic or alkaline. For example, litmus. In acid, blue litmus turns to red. In alkalis, red litmus turns to blue. Children, note it down that the bases that are soluble in water are called alkalis. Types of indicators. Indicators can be classified as natural and synthetic. Natural indicators include turmeric, litmus and China rose. Litmus is a dye that is extracted from a plant called lichen. It has a tendency to turn red in acids and blue in base. Litmus is available as red litmus and blue litmus. So children, if we have two unknown solutions in two beakers, say beaker A and beaker B, if red litmus paper is dipped into a solution in beaker A, it remains red, and blue litmus, it turned into red. This shows that the solution given in beaker A is acidic. Similarly, in beaker B, if we are putting both the red and blue litmus, the red litmus turns into blue, whereas blue litmus remains blue. That means the solution given in the beaker B is basic in nature. Therefore, we can say acids turn blue litmus to red and bases turns red litmus to blue. And if both red and blue litmus paper dipped into the solution shows no change in the color, that means it is a neutral solution. Turmeric is another natural indicator. If we add lemon, citric acid in turmeric, we will find that there is no change in the color. Therefore, in acidic medium, there is no change in the color in turmeric. If we put soap, a base, on turmeric, it changes into reddish brown. Therefore, with the base, it changes the color to a brown. China rose. The extract of China rose can be used as an indicator. If we add acid, it changes into a pink color. And if we add base, it changes into green color. So we can say China rose indicators when react with acidic solution turns into pink, and China rose indicator when react with bases turns into green. Synthetic indicators, methyl orange and phenolphthalein, they are made in the laboratory using chemicals. Methyl orange, as name indicates, the color is orange. So with acid, it turns into red, and with base, it turns into yellow. Phenolphthalein is colorless liquid. With acids, there is no change in it. That is, it remains colorless. Whereas with base, it turns into pink. So children, if the base is strong, the paint can be to the darker side. pH. Acids may be strong or weak. Similarly, bases may be strong or weak. Therefore, pH paper is used to test how acidic or basic a solution is. It consists of a mixture of dyes. When it is dipped into a different acid and bases, it gives a wide range of colors. Each color is given the number on pH scale, ranging from 0 to 14. So 0 to 3 indicates with the red color, that means it is a strong acid. 3 to 6 is indicated by orange or yellow color, that means it is a weak acid. 7 is a neutral solution, that is green in color. 8 to 11 is a base which is weak, therefore it is shown in a blue color. 11 to 14 is a strong base that will show in violet or purple color. So through litmus paper, blue and red, and universal pH paper, acid-basic detection can be done. As we know, acid converts blue litmus into red. Bases convert red litmus into blue. And the solution that changes the color of pH paper according to its pH. That means how the acidic or basic a solution is. Here you can see that pH paper turns into purple, which matches with the color with the number given on the scale 12. That means it is a strong base. Similarly, here you can see the change of the color of pH paper with the solution. The red color indicates that it is a strong acid, the green color indicates that it is a neutral, and yellow color indicates that it is a weak acid. So children, in this part you have learned that an indicator is a substance that changes the color in acidic and basic medium. There are two types of indicators, natural and synthetic. Natural include litmus paper, turmeric and China rose. Synthetic includes methyl orange and phenolphthalein. A pH paper is used to test how acidic or basic a solution is.